Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Qi2 Certified Slimmest 45 watt 10,000 milliamp magnetic power bank. Alright, so right here we have this magnetic power bank. This one here is a slim. It is a 10,000 milliamp power bank. This one is great for on the go. So this one has got fast charging LED indicator lights. It's a pocket size slim wireless charging. It uses 15 volts. So it's super efficient. So right here is the power bank itself. It is nice and sleek and lightweight. So this can power your iPhone 16 up to 39% in just 25 minutes. This is 2 times faster than any other 7.5 watt. So this one uses a lot more and it charges a lot quicker. This one does have a hand strap so you can take it with you on the go. It also will fit into your pocket or purse. This is a Qi2 charging compatibility. It does have a little kickstand right here. You can see this cute little paw print right here. This basically tells you the level of your battery that you have. All of the paw prints means it's 100%. Each one represents 25% right here. So this one is basically at 50%. Then you got 75 and 100%. This one is MagSafe, so you can attach this right to your phone. So what I'm going to do is grab my phone and I'm going to attach it to my iPhone. So this iPhone that I have is a 17 Pro Max, and I'm just going to put it right on there so it can hold it in place. You can see I have the charging logo right here and my battery is at 49%, so it charges it. And then right here you can see that it is magnetized to the back of my phone. Here is the kickstand. If you do not want to use the kickstand to hold it up, you can put it on just like this. You can see that it fits very well on your phone, and it does charge your iPhone several times before needing to recharge it. But I like the fact that this does charge 2 times faster because it has the 45 watt charging power. So if you're looking for a nice portable power bank that charges up your iPhone, Android, tablets, or anything like that, I would highly recommend checking this one out. I like the fact that it does have this little hand strap so you could take it with you, but it also fits in pockets and it does have a kickstand. So if you want to just leave your phone there to charge by itself, I would definitely say check out this one.